Welcome back. Here's the tip of the week. Who can benefit from chiropractic care? I've been in practice for 16 years, and Dr. Denise and I people are frequently will be asking us who can benefit from chiropractic care, or how would you know if chiropractic is for you or not? And what I want to share with you guys today is unless you get checked by a chiropractor, you would not know if you need, chiropractic or not. Matter of fact, I'm a chiropractor and I don't even know if I need to have a chiropractic adjustment or not myself. So who's chiropractic for? Chiropractic, as far as I'm concerned, if you have a spine, you qualify for a checkup. I always like to tell people that, it makes people laugh, but that's the truth. Our youngest patient in our office, we've taken care of little babies that are, a couple days old. And I think our oldest patient now is over 100 years old. And all of those people can benefit from chiropractic care if we start with the premise that your brain and your nervous system controls and coordinate everything in your body. And your spine, there's 24 movable segments that are protecting the spinal cord. And what we're looking for is, we go with the premise that structure determines function. So if you don't have the proper structure, right, you're going to have problems with your nervous system. And that is the reason why we would be looking at kids, as early as, as soon as kids are born. According to Dr. Abraham Tobin, he's from Harvard Medical School. He says that 80% of the kids, they have their first, subluxation into their spine 80% of the time as soon as you're born. So what that means is, if 80% of the kids when they're born, they have their first subluxation, and subluxation is when there's a misalignment in your spine, right, that interfere with proper nerve function. So what we look for is, this is what we look for at our office, is we look for subluxation in the spine, and to make sure that you can grow up, with a spine that is functioning properly. So therefore, if your nervous system is functionally at optimal potential, your entire body will be able to function better. Right? So it's not unusual that people will say, since I've been under chiropractic care, I can sleep better. Or since I've been under chiropractic care, I breathe better. Or since I've been under chiropractic care, I don't get sick as often as I used to. Which is truly amazing to see that. But, from my perspective, not really, because the nervous system controls and coordinates everything in the body. So when we first take care of people, we don't really know what's going to happen to them, but we do know that if they have a subluxation and we start correcting it and we start improving their nervous system, that their body can benefit from that. Now, of course, there's other things that needs to be done as well, right? You need to eat well, you need to move well, you need to think well. All of those things, they're all part of for you to be healthy. So just to recap here is who can benefit from chiropractic care. It doesn't matter who you are. If you have a spine, you qualify for it. Do you need to necessarily have pain in order to seek, a chiropractor? And the answer is no. And the reason for that is because there's only a small percentages of your nervous system that tells your brain about pain. The majority of your nervous system has to do with, allowing proper function to the organ, tissue, cells in your body. So here's the tip of the week with Dr. Daigneault. I'll see you next week.